So now you have created your business manager portfolio, you have your ad account, you've created your first campaign. Now you want to track and to see the results. And this is where the report comes in. So under the reports, you have columns, you have breakdowns, you have reports, you can export your report and you can even view it as a chart. Now, at the columns, this is where you choose the columns. These are the columns, the delivery, the action, the attribution, all these are columns, and you can determine which columns you find here by just clicking on this column section and then choosing whichever you want. You can choose the pre-made uh, reports that you have there. There is the performance and clicks. If you choose performance and clicks, it gives you different columns. If you choose performance, it will give you different columns. If you choose something like engagement, it's going to give you different columns, which are showing you basically the engagements that are there. So it's easy for you to report to your client, or even for you, if you're running this business or you're running these ads for yourself, you can actually see it. In terms of setup, you can click on setup to see how you set up your campaign. You can check delivery to see how your campaign is actually being delivered. You can see the delivery status there, the actions, the reach, the frequency, cost per 1,000 accounts reached, impressions, cost CPM. Basically, that's what you get at the delivery. And you can also customize these reports. You just need to scroll down a little and come to customize columns, where you can choose. You can choose at the performance, you can choose what you want to see. At the ad relevance, you can choose what you want to see. You can choose all. You can choose the specific ones that you want to see in your report, and they will appear under the columns. Breakdown. This now shows you under each row. Each row gives you either, when you are at the campaign level, they will show you the campaigns. At the ad set level, they will show you the ad sets, and at the ad level, they will show you the ads. And then once you choose the breakdown, whether you want to see placements, you'll be able to see where your ad was placed. Was it placed? And they will appear as rows dropping down like this. And you'll be able to see, were they placed on feed? Are they placed on story? Are they placed on reels? And then you can choose platform, which now shows whether they were placed on Facebook, IG, or audience network. You can choose age, day, placement, country, platform. You can choose all these things to see how your ad is performing at each section. Then at the report, you can create a report. You can view ad creative performance. Reports, you can choose, you can create reports as a CSV, as an XLSV format. All those are formats that you can download uh, your 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 ads or your report. And here you can also click to customize. If you don't like the columns that are there, you can choose the columns. You can choose the breakdown. Basically, you can choose the metrics. Columns, you can choose them from here. Columns and breakdown, you can choose them from here, and metrics. So that's how you check in terms of reporting. Then you can also export. This is where you create a different report. Then in terms of export, this is where you can export your report as a CSV, XLSX, or even sometimes you can have an option to download it as an image. The next one I'm going to show you in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can actually use ChatGPT to create amazing reports for your monthly report, weekly reports for your client, so that they're able to see how the ads are performing, and even give